tear up my stuff. On the camera, here it is. What's up, guys? Happy Thanksgiving. Derail Haskins here from Punchline Sinker. You know, me and the fellers just getting ready to go fishing today, and started thinking there's a lot of things that happened this year that we've been thankful for. So we figured, why not do our top 5 favorite moments that we're thankful for, starting with number 5. Derail catches his first bass of 2021.
Saying, he got a fish, he got a fish. Oh my God, it's a bass.
Yeah, it's a little tiny little feller, but
how bad is he hooked?
not too bad. Ooh.
Man, he's almost fish tank size, bro.
Do you want him? I say no, man. You're
No,
going for that
I'm not.
tropical.
I'm not.
First one of the season, though.
Good job, buddy. I'm so happy.
I can't tell you how happy I was that I finally caught a fish this year. We have been trying since February for all of us really to catch fish, but just for some reason seemed to be me that just could not land them. Unlike how happy I am about this lovely weather we're having here on this Thanksgiving Day. So instead of waiting around, why don't we just skip on to number 4? Pete catches a bass at the YouTube rendezvous.
Hell yeah. I got one. Sweet.
When Chet took us down to the YouTube rendezvous, we ended up meeting some of the coolest people we have ever met. We'd never been around YouTubers before, so this is a first time experience for all of us, really. So it was actually kind of an interesting situation going from meeting new people to adding new people, which leads us into number 3. Manny and Jerry.
Even got Manuel. Decided to show up.
How many fish did you guys get?
He's begging for a ride home. We'll see.
So we'll teach you how to use this bait caster. That one's Scotty's.
Oh, it's light.
Yeah. So yeah, I can take you up there now.
I have no idea.
I dubbed the...
While Manny and Jerry may not be in every single episode yet, their new addition definitely brings some dynamic to the team, and it's very welcome. They're cool dudes, and I can't wait to see more of them out there with us. Our next clip features one of the coolest fish that we've actually caught this year, both from Chet and Pete. Coming in at number 2, Chet and Pete catch their pinfish. Look at that fucking beast.
This thing is a tank.
Dude, that might be a pinfish.
Get him.
I can't get close enough.
Sorry.
You're all good. You're good. It's what it is.
That net, man. He's like, screw that shit. All right, here we go, Scott. Here we go. Go ahead.
Pinfish.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Dude.
happy right now. Hey, is there a smile on that?
I mean, you might have given me a good fish, but I mean, I don't know though. It is the micro mic, so.
I think there's a smile on his face.
Yeah, the micro mic.
Oh,
Mini
yeah, that's a
pin.
good cat.
He's coming in now. He's taking it too. There he is.
He's angry.
Get him on the nose, there. Come on now.
26.
26. I don't know if that's pinfish, but if it is, I'm claiming.
There's nothing like catching a monster catfish, monster bass, biggest one you've ever caught, or at least just a pinfish. I'm sure those guys were really, really thrilled to see those on the end of the line. Speaking of the end of the line, we've come down to our last video. And our number one is down in Florida. Earlier this year, Okaloosa, down at the pier. Number one. Pete eats his GoPro while Chet catches a mackerel.
Fish on. Hold on, man.
And there you have it. There's our top 5. I'm gonna try and figure out my way out of these woods, try and find the fishing hole again before I end up doing another fish and fail with Derail. So we'll see you guys next time. And remember, stay professional, bros. We'll see you next time.
Either it was a straight bag or a right bag. It was big, kind of like.
That is not your golfer. He got one. Yeah. Oh. Anyway. And now for Jerry.
Whoa.
Yeet.
Oh, that was nice.
Not bad at all.